So these are the major triggers for the next week for the Indian market. Okay. So we close on May 1. Okay. On Thursday, US President Trump has threatened China to impose new tariffs on imports of Chinese products. So this will trigger for the new tax war or trade war between US and China. Okay. So world markets already reacted on Friday, so we have to react tomorrow. 450 to 500 point downside possible on this. So now SGX Nifty is trading now SGX Nifty at 9303. Okay. So now what are the important support for the Nifty as of now? What are the important level? Let's see now. Okay. This is a 1 month chart of the Nifty. Now SGX Nifty is 9300 level nearer. So I feel the major support comes around this area. This area is a major support. Major support is what is the level means 92402 9300. Okay, 92402 9300 is a major support for the Nifty as of now. Okay, below 9200 with a good volume means fresh sell will trigger. Go to 900, 9000 also. So 9200 is an important level to watch. As of now, 92402, 9300, the important Nifty level. Okay, this is the major support. Okay. My feeling is near 9250, 9300 one can buy. Okay. For the major because 9300 9250 is a major support. Okay. So let's see what are the points going to major trigger for the next week. The government has already announced the extension of lockdown for the next 2 weeks. Okay, but it's not the I feel it's not the extension. So they are partially relaxing some activities on economic level. Okay, so open up shops, some industries with some conditions. Okay. So I feel this will impact on some positive reactions on markets. Okay. So this also one of the important factor for the next week. Next is a poor auto sales number, 0 as expected. Okay. So as expected, there is a no sales number has been reported. So so it's a 0 for all the companies in India. And next one is economic stimulus. We are expecting last 2-3 weeks government will announce some stimulus on that economic front, but it not happened. So we hope next week possible of some stimulus announcement from the FM. Okay. So let's hope for the good thing. Next is earnings reactions. Hindustan Unilever, Reliance, Tech Mahindra, all are not a good numbers. So reaction will be on downside only. Okay. Next, already we saw that this thing Trump threatened China with imposition of new tariffs on import of Chinese products. Okay, this will cause a fear of new trade war possibilities. Okay, so only the Friday world markets reacted down 2 to 5%. Our market yet to react on Monday. This is one of the important trigger on COVID-19. Okay, remdesivir is an antiviral drug. Got the emergency use authorization for the severe patients of only severe patients of COVID-19, not the all patients, only severe patients of COVID-19. So globally, all are watching the how this drug will react on COVID-19 patients. Okay, how it will impact positively on COVID-19 patients, like that. Many things globally watching on this drug, remdesivir. Due to this, our some Indian companies also some benefit. Natco Pharma, Laurus Lab, okay, it also is going to get benefit due to this remdesivir drug. Next is Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa is planned to open liquor shops next week. Okay, so I feel some positive reactions on liquor stocks next week. Next, there is a net loss of $50 billion per share, Warren Buffett's. So I don't think this will impact much on our Indian share market. Okay. And next is there are only two important earnings next week. 7th May HCL Technologies, 9th May ICICI Bank. And the next one is mutual fund investors' behavior on the inflows and outflows data from the T-Street. And next is Nifty rollover on May is 71%, and FA long exposure on index futures May is 64%. Okay. So these are all the things is important for the next week. Major triggers. Okay, last week rally is backed with the Bank Nifty. Okay, so usually whenever the rally is supported with the Bank Nifty or any banking related shares, means market will react positively on the near term. Okay, so if next week also Bank Nifty is support, means market will bounce back from that 9250 or 9200 levels. Okay, so market will weak only when economic stimulus package is not announced or Bank Nifty will see some underperformance. If Bank Nifty underperformance and economic stimulus not announced, means next week very major correction is possible. But until Bank Nifty supports, market is in good shape only. Okay. Next week expected some more high volatility and some stock specific reactions only. Okay. So trade with cautious. Okay. Bye.